of people are facing the extension issue. It seems like you are facing an issue where the IDM Internet Download Manager extension is not showing in your browser. Here are some steps you can try to resolve this issue. Number one, check if IDM extension is installed or not. So for that, let me show you. Just open your browser. Now, a lot of people are prefer like they are using the Google Chrome. So go into the extension and make sure there's extensions added and it's enabled. Now, if it's not available, let's suppose I don't have any extension, IDM extension. What you can do here, IDM integrated module, just search it on Google. IDM integration module, search it on Google. Now here you will see a few websites like this. What you can do here, just go on the official website, the first one. Once you open this, here you will see if extension is not installed automatically, then install IDM integration module extension from Chrome Web Store using direct link below. Just click on this link and it will redirect you on Chrome Web Store. Here you can simply click on the add extension web browser and it will automatically install the extension, as you can see here. Now simply go into the extensions and make sure check this option on. So your problem has been solved. Let's move on to step number 3, enable IDM integration in browser. So for that, open the IDM. If it's not appearing here, then click on the Windows icon, search for Internet Download Manager and open it. Now go into the download and then option and then general and make sure select your Google Chrome from here. And then click OK. Check for conflict extensions. Sometimes other browser extensions can conflict with IDM. Try disabling other extensions one by one to see if that resolve the issue. So some kind of like the extensions related to the downloaders, if available in your extension tab, then disable those just like this. Turn off all other extensions one by one and try, might be your problem should be fixed if still your extension is not capturing like these extensions. So you can do it like this. Now sometimes restarting browser and IDM, close both your browser and IDM, then reopen them and check if the extension is not available. So for that, just go into the task manager. You can close the browser, right click and task, and also the IDM if it's open. Just press I until you will get here the IDM and just cite it and then relaunch it. It will fix your problem. Most of the cases, your problem should be fixed like this. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes cache and data can cause issue. Clearing your browser cache and cookies might help. So this will also help you. And the last option, reinstall IDM. If none of the above step work, try uninstall IDM completely and then reinstall it. But make sure, a lot of people are using third-party cracked version. So in that case, make sure use the latest version and from the official website if possible. So it's beneficial for you. Also, it will avoid malwares and viruses. So use the official one and download the latest version. It will solve your problem. If you need any help, just let me know in the comment section. Related to the IDM, if you need any help, you can just join the Discord server. Link is given below in the description. Just go ahead, join, and then you can just mention me in general chat. I'll reply as soon as possible. So basically that's my friend Discord. You can join it. Once you join, there's a general chat lobby. Just go over there and mention me over here with name Austin. That's my nickname actually, the upper one. Just select and you can say anything like Windows fixer or help, etc. So just like this, I'll reply you as soon as possible, or any other moderator. Let me know that you are mentioning me, so I'll guide you. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Have a good day. Bye bye.